What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back again, guys. As you know, I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. And if you are new to this family, please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you get every time I drop something new, something massive, something fresh. So, guys, today I'll be showing you just a simple way of analyzing with the Fibonacci retracement. I'll be showing you guys just to understand how you can be able to tell whether the market is turning or tell whether the market is reversing or continuing in that particular direction. Without wasting much time, grab your pen and paper. Let's get into the charts. Welcome to the chart, guys. Now on Euro USD, which is the most traded currency pair, the most, I would say, the most easiest and also the most popular one that many people know. As you know, we also have the USD JPY. I think those are the main two that many people are mostly trading daily. As we all know, Euro and USD are strong currencies. So without further wasting time, let's get into the chart. As I've mentioned, I'll be showing you guys the fib retracement. Okay, as you can see, this one obviously here, just by not doing anything without doing much information, you can see this one, a simple correction. So this is just what I can look for, waiting for this. You see, just by looking at this, because I can see this is giving me this correction. Yeah, I think I'll place a trade on this one because I saw USD JPY is falling. So let me just quickly place a trade. 0.77. Yes, the trade is placed. Another one. 0.77. Okay, now that I'm done with placing my trades, let's look at what I said we're gonna be looking at. Okay, guys, this, for instance, we have to look at what is currently happening here. Trading using the fib level on daily chart. This is gonna be quick. If you are trading or you are having an uptrend, you take fib from the bottom, you take it to the top, right? And then if you are having a downtrend, you take fib from the top to the bottom. This way. This is how you start. You see, this is how you start. And why are you having a different curve? Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is how you are able to see that yes, indeed, we are pushing to the top side. You see, I know why this is the one that extends. Okay, so most of the time you have a market doing something like this. The market pushing and then coming back, retest 61.8. Understand? Or sometimes what it does, these are the, you see why I highlighted them with a different color. 61.8 and 78.6 are the most strongest. Sometimes it pushes to this level. Then you know that we are pushing to the top. So you would place your buys here at the break of this. It will be a chart pattern, a correction some sort. Okay. So let's look what we are having now. So you can see this is in an uptrend, right? So if you see this in an uptrend, you know that yes, you have to take it from the bottom to the top. So look what is currently happening, taking it from the bottom to the top. But we're only looking at this point here. So the market pushed, and then we want to see where it's gonna turn. You see 71.6, then it pushed to the top. So let me copy this, put it here so that it's much clearer. Look, you take it here, then the market comes. Obviously it will come in a form of correction on lower time frame, then boom, pushes to the top. You see, I hope that is clear. Okay, fine. Now let's look at this one. 78.6 again. You see, when it reached 61.8, it pushed further up. Then now you have this, you can remove this. You see, that's just the simple way of using the fib retracement. Okay, if you were coming from the top, you see this one, it was a sell. Okay, let's see. What do we have? 61.8. So you can see it respects these levels that I've mentioned. Okay, see, we have this, and then another one. So you can see this one is also below 618, but it's at 50%. So if you took this trade, you will take this trade like this. Always make sure that you just cater, or even better, put it here, so that you know that if the market decides that, so you know that this is your 71.8, and then you can remove this. So okay, then you know that, okay, even if the market decides to push, your stop loss is safe. Understand? Okay. So this happens to all time frames. All time frames. Gonna try. And also don't forget, whenever you're doing your fib also respects this type of patterns. You see what we have here. 61.8. Okay. See this one. Now on 4 hour, you can see look what happened here, guys. And to see something. Look, you see the market pushed here, came here below 78.6, came here, and then touched this, then it was gone. You see, this is what happening. Impulse, correction, impulse, a bigger correction, further impulse. You understand? All this is 71.8 and 78.6. 78.6. Let's go to USDJPY. You see what I had here? Same thing happened. Let me remove all this. Okay. You see? Okay. Here we're in an uptrend. Want to see what's gonna reverse. Impulse correction. You see? So obviously, you know, this also assist us with our TV. You would know your TP be here. And then oops. This is what so taking your trade around this point, you just have to make sure you cater. You see? Impulse, correction, impulse. And also, you know, the other tools that you apply when you are using your Fibonacci. Like this. And to see this clearly, okay, 1 4 hour. So look what happened here. A very nice clean setup. A very nice clean setup. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction. This is a correction. Retest, push. You see, not everything will be in a form of a bull trade, guys. Someone see or saw this as a double top. Yes, indeed, it is a double top. But where is it? What is the previous move saying? The previous move is impulse. And it's not correcting in an ascending. If it was correcting in this manner, we would know that, yes, indeed, we want to fall and continue fall. Understand? But that didn't happen. We saw it as a correction in all its form. So this, we take this, you can see even when we take it here. Understand? So this happens, guys. It's not all the time you're gonna find a trade that's saying take me, I'm yours. Sometimes you have to look for those trades. Here. So you can see this one. We could see that, yes, indeed, we're pushing up. Understand? Okay. Double top. So let's see our secret tool. What is it saying here? So you can see we are still above 618. So our 618 is here. 618. Okay. 61.8. Okay. Then now, when you reach this level, now you can see that it was coming to retest this. Then you would see this. Oops. So separating your patterns really helps, guys. You don't get stuck with a pattern that you see, yes, indeed, it's no longer valid. Take this. Then in the middle of this, you can see we are having a corrective manner here. So our secret tool, guys, you really need to learn how to use the feed the proper way. You see? But how will I know that it's gonna pass here and eventually? Because obviously you would know that you would put your final TP here. But I have a secret way of analyzing and seeing that the market is gonna push here. So if you like to know about that secret, you know what to do. Join the Forex Heroes mentorship course. You know, guys, I can reveal everything, so it will be unfair to the guys who are part of the team. So if you like to know more secrets about the feed, you know what to do. Click the link below. Click the link below to sign up with my recommended broker. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Peace.